There is an inclination in the RPG Maker community where most people come in purely to make games, and then when they make something cool or do something interesting, other RPG Maker users ask them for a tutorial or ask them to share or sell that interesting thing, which they may then do. They will make a tutorial and share that thing they did. In response, they will get views, likes, lots of thanks, and they will go back to working on their game feeling great until they do something interesting again in RPG Maker. And then the whole thing repeats itself. It's a cycle. It repeats itself to a point where this person who came in purely to make games is now purely helping other devs without ever finishing any decent game themselves. And this cycle has continued, spreading to more and more RPG Maker users, with none of them finishing any games and just participating in the community, helping each other make absolutely nothing. So I bring all this up because I do not want to be part of that cycle. I want to focus on just making games for an audience of gamers.